This is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I would like to show how you can set up parental controls on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Accounts category and remove any Google accounts you might have. Once there are no Google accounts left, get back to the main Settings page, enter Google category, then tap at the Parental Controls, Get Started, Child or Teenager, Next. Now you will need to log into your child's Google account, so let me quickly do that off the screen. Then select the account you have just signed into from the list over here and log into another Google account, this time Parental one. Once you do that as well, you will be forwarded to the next step, that is the About Supervision. Over here, you will need to enter the child's account password once again, then tap at the Agree button, onwards at the dialog window that follows, tap at the Allow option, and wait for the child and parent accounts to get linked. So once they are, you can just skip all the remaining steps and finish the setup at this point. So then, once the child end of things is finished or completed at the very least, you gotta take your parental device or whatever phone or tablet you wanted to use to supervise your child and download the Family Link app from the Google Play Store. So let me quickly do that. So launch the app once it is successfully installed. Then make sure to sign in with the parental Google account. And here you have it. There is the full list of controls you have an access to. You can also monitor your child's location and see the child's device usage highlights. But as far as setting up the parental controls goes, or setup of the parental controls goes, that will be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.